2004 King Ranch F350, 1 ton. Got the EGR delete, semi-bulletproof. This truck is mechanically sound, runs 100% with no blow-by. Whenever you see a blow-by, you'll see white smoke coming out of here. There's no white smoke. Truck mechanically sound. Florida rust-free truck. Don't buy up north trucks that have rust all over them. This one's Florida rust-free truck. King Ranch long bed, aftermarket bumpers, grill, lights, 4x4 diesel. Just a beautiful truck that's ready to go. I can ship this to your door, $400 to $500. Visit bigboydiesels.com, bigboydiesels.com. This is a Florida rust-free truck, guys. 4x4, power stroke diesel, EGR delete. King Ranch. Running as I speak with cold AC, lots of power options. Like I said before, I could ship it to your door, $400 to $500. Call me right now to buy this truck. Baseball glove leather interior in super clean condition. Florida truck, guys. Rust free. Look at the exterior. No dents and no scratches. Just came in. New arrival. Pick up the phone and call to buy this truck. 954-937-8271. It's got Florida highway miles. No check engine light, no nothing on it. Also has a Bluetooth radio. Very expensive radio. Touch screen. Pick up the phone and call me right now. 954-937-8271. Truck has plenty of power with smooth shifting transmission. Visit bigboydiesels.com, bigboydiesels.com, guys. Pick up the phone and buy this Florida rust-free truck now. Thank you for looking. Pick up the phone and call right now to buy this truck.